Welcome to Debt Busters, in yet another exciting video. Do you want to get your first 1,000 YouTube subscribers and open the door to monetization? Buckle up, because we'll reveal the best methods and insider tips to explode your subscriber count faster than ever and reach that coveted monetization milestone. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. If you subscribe and comment, "I subscribed," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. First and foremost, get ready to unleash your creative brilliance by posting not one, but 33 outstanding videos. It's not just about quantity, but quality mixed with consistency. Each video is an opportunity to capture your viewers' attention and leave them wanting more. Prepare for an incredible creative roller coaster in which your content evolves, refines, and flourishes, captivating the hearts and minds of your viewers. However, data-driven optimization is where the true magic happens. You need to analyze and optimize your videos based on the valuable insights gained from your audience's participation. Discover hidden treasures in the figures, decipher the mysteries of audience preferences, and decipher the patterns that catapult your content to new heights. With this vital knowledge, you can fine-tune your videos, titles, and thumbnails, ensuring that every piece of content you generate is optimized for maximum effect. Let's now look at discovering your niche, your kingdom of content creation. You become a beacon of expertise by focusing on a specific area, attracting like-minded folks who seek the knowledge and experiences you have to offer. Unleash your passions, embrace your distinct voice, and watch your material connect with a growing community of devoted followers. When you identify your niche, you find your creative sweet spot and create a dedicated and engaged audience that will follow you through each video. The video feedback loop has a fascinating cycle that keeps your viewers engrossed and wanting more. Create hooks that grab attention from the start, tales that engage and delight, and graphics that make an impact with precision and finesse. By immersing your audience in this enthralling cycle, you'll create a link that extends beyond ordinary subscribers, transforming them into ardent supporters who impatiently await your next production. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Here's another secret. Start by exploring the enormous world of YouTube. Find a niche that piques your interest, whether it's travel, gaming, fashion, or any other interesting topic. Immerse yourself in the search results and study what grabs viewers' attention. But we don't stop there. We up the ante. You have to filter the results to find the videos with the highest view count that were recently uploaded. These videos contain the key to understanding what is resonating with the audience. The exciting thing now is producing your own version of that winning material. Unleash your creativity, inject your personality, and add your own distinctive spin to the mix. Create a video that not only honors the spirit of the established information, but also highlights your uniqueness. By providing a unique viewpoint, you will stand out in the congested YouTube scene and win the hearts of your target audience. It's time to make a lasting impression with videos that resonate. However, video length is one key factor that will boost your success. We've cracked the secret of YouTube's algorithm's preference for longer videos, and we're excited to share our findings with you. Create videos with a fascinating 11-minute or longer runtime. This corresponds to the algorithm's taste and allows you to engage your viewers in a rich, compelling experience. Dive deep into your chosen topic, give valuable ideas, and keep your audience engaged from beginning to end. Longer videos will not only delight the algorithm, but also increase views and encourage viewers to stay in the video longer. Now, we believe that a simple request can lead to excellent relationships. Imagine this. You're in the middle of your video, the excitement mounting, and you reach out to your viewers, cordially asking them to subscribe to your channel. It's an offer to be a part of something extraordinary, to go on a journey filled with common interests and valuable content. But that's just the start. We encourage you to ask your viewers to confirm their subscriptions by leaving a comment. You might notice I did the same in my opening call to action when I asked everyone to like, comment, and subscribe, telling you that if you subscribe and comment "I subscribed," you'll get a reply from me. These comments serve as beacons, drawing people's attention to your video. They notice the involvement and excitement and are persuaded to join the developing community. More importantly, comments are one of the 4 forms of engagement YouTube looks for in order to see if a video is good. The other 3 are likes, subscribing, and getting viewers to watch another one of your videos. But don't forget about the notification bell. Remind your viewers not only to subscribe, but also to click the bell symbol. This way, they'll get fast notifications anytime you post a new video, ensuring they never miss out on the excitement and knowledge you have to offer. It's a portal to a world of intriguing content suited to their interests, all accessible with a button. So, simply inform your viewers that by subscribing and enabling the notification bell, they are obtaining access to your exciting videos and becoming members of an engaged community of fellow enthusiasts. Another quick tip is to have the masses discover and watch your content. Consider your videos appearing on the YouTube homepage, grabbing people who can't help but click on your appealing thumbnail. Consider dominating the suggested video feed, luring viewers already engaged with similar material to find your distinct point of view, not to mention the power of search results, where clever optimization may put your videos in front of people actively looking for what you have to offer. To accomplish this, you must concentrate on raising your click-through rate, CTR. This indicator counts the number of individuals who click on your video after watching it. Will help you create captivating titles, engaging descriptions, and eye-catching images that entice viewers to click and immerse themselves in your content. Aim for a CTR of at least 7% to ensure your videos are seen and pique potential viewers' interest. However, garnering clicks is only the first step. Keeping people engaged is equally crucial. It would be best to aim for at least a 50% average view time. You'll captivate your audience from start to finish by producing fascinating introductions, providing essential insights, and keeping your material dynamic and engaging. This helps create a viewing experience that will keep viewers returning for more. Let's look at the power of thumbnails again. Your thumbnail is the visual entrance to your video, and a good one can make or break it. Creating eye-catching thumbnails piques viewers' interest, expresses the essence of your video, and leaves an indelible impression on potential viewers. You'll tempt viewers to click and discover the great stuff that awaits them with the correct thumbnail. The other is the secret realm of session time and the art of keeping YouTube viewers hooked. Within the YouTube algorithm, you're keeping users on the platform longer, which equals more income for YouTube and, of course, more money for you. You may ultimately defy the system and speed up your road to the coveted first 1,000 subscribers. Consider this scenario. Viewers come across one of your videos and are immediately captivated by the enchantment you've produced, but it does not end there. You'll convince them to continue their journey around YouTube, discovering additional intriguing videos along the way, using strategic approaches. As mentioned, this means more eyes on your work, more income opportunities on YouTube, and greater financial success. Creating playlists as a portal to your next video is a robust method. Viewers will effortlessly transition from one video to another if you curate a collection of videos closely connected in topic or theme, extending their session time and improving your overall watch time. Another tactic we have is clever titling. You can attract the attention of the YouTube suggestion feed by making your video names as similar as possible. When viewers finish watching one of your videos, your tantalizingly similar title will surface as a tempting suggestion, inviting them to continue watching. This works against the algorithm and puts you in charge of extending the session length and keeping people interested. Last but not least, consider the following scenario. You're developing compelling content and want to ensure viewers stick around to enjoy every unforgettable moment. So don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the art of attracting your audience right away. We'll show you a strong technique. Position one of your video's most exciting scenes right at the beginning. This clever method ensures that viewers are quickly captivated and eager to see how the story progresses. By retaining their interest and developing suspense, you increase the likelihood that they will stay until the conclusion, increasing your watch hours and bringing you one step closer to monetization. Go to YouTube Analytics to track your audience retention and examine how well your videos keep people engaged. There you'll see the audience retention percentage, which provides valuable information about the effectiveness of your material. Aim for more than 70% retention in the first minute of your video and more than 45% retention for the remaining minutes. This demonstrates that you engage your audience and keep them interested in your information. Remember not to underestimate the impact of a strong opening hook. The first few seconds of your video are critical to capturing the interest of your visitors and keeping them from clicking away. We'll help you create unique, imaginative, and compelling intros that pique your audience's interest and keep them watching. We hope you found the insights, methods, and recommendations in our videos valuable and motivating. All that is left is to apply those tricks as you achieve your first 1,000 YouTube subscribers in 2023. Remember that establishing a subscriber base takes time and effort, but you can succeed with the correct mindset and effective strategies. Continue creating fantastic material, engaging with your audience, and staying true to your voice. I know you're tired of watching countless faceless YouTube videos like this, trying to figure out how to make a channel and make money online. However, the truth is that it can take several years just to produce a single successful video if you're trying to learn YouTube through trial and error. But if you prefer a more active approach to learning how to make money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in 2023. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing how to make $500 per day, making text to video AI videos. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know to make $500 per day, making text to video AI videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.